Okay, here's another part. Well, we got the old one off. Of course, here's the old one. And you can see the bow it had. Okay, and it comes with a new bar underneath too, the black foam stop bar. And I got to put in that little black box there, I got to put a new stop switch so it doesn't happen again. Just got to hope that these columns line up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this up on the platform, raise it up enough to rest it on one and two brackets. Supposedly this is a universal kit that fits any lift, but ran into problems already. Have to drill 2 new holes to mount the upper brackets. These 2 brackets here. There's only 2 bolts on each side holding it, where it should be 4. So much for the universal. So I'm going to just raise this up, attach it to the top, and then go from there. Stay tuned for another video.